In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero for beginners with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Let's dive in and make the process as simple as possible so you can use Xero effectively for your business needs. First, we'll begin by logging into Xero. Head to the Xero login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you've done that, you'll need to set up your organization by entering key business details like your company name, address, time zone, financial year, start date, and tax settings. An important point to remember is to select your base currency carefully, as this cannot be changed later. The next step is to connect your bank account to Xero, a crucial part of automating your bookkeeping process. Navigate to the accounting section and select Bank Accounts. Click on Add Bank Account, and you'll be prompted to search for your bank. Follow the instructions to authorize the connection, which allows Xero to import bank transactions automatically. This feature significantly simplifies the bank reconciliation process. Once you've connected your bank, it's time to set up your chart of accounts. Go to Accounting, then Advanced, and select Chart of Accounts. Here, you can review the default accounts Xero provides and make any necessary adjustments to fit your business needs. You have the option to add or customize accounts, such as sales, rent, or marketing, to ensure your accounting structure aligns well with your operations. Adding contacts, including customers and suppliers, is essential for smooth invoicing and billing. Go to Contacts, then All Contacts, and click on Add Contact. You'll need to input critical information such as the name, email, tax number, and default currency for each contact. This setup will expedite your future billing processes. Next, creating and sending invoices is made easy in Xero. Go to Business, select Invoices, and click on New Invoice. Here, enter the customer details, set the due date, and add line items. Be sure to choose the correct tax rate and invoice number before clicking Approve. You can then email the invoice directly from Xero to prompt quick payment. Entering bills and expenses is another straightforward task. Head to Business, then Bills to Pay, and click on New Bill. You'll add the supplier details, invoice date, and amount. Attaching the supplier invoice or receipt is a smart way to track what you owe, thus helping manage your cash flow efficiently. To reconcile your bank transactions, go to Accounting, Bank Accounts, and select Reconcile. Xero is designed to suggest matches between your bank transactions and existing invoices or bills. All it takes is a click on OK to confirm the matches or create a new transaction if necessary. Running reports in Xero offers insightful views into your business's financial health. Navigate to Accounting, then Reports, where you can find key reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. Customize and export these reports to help with decision-making or tax filing. If payroll is available in your region, you can set it up by going to Payroll, then Employees. Add details such as pay rates and leave balances and process pay runs with ease, even filing taxes directly with the authorities. Finally, explore the wide variety of integrations Xero offers. With over 1,000 apps like Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, and Square, you can automate payments and streamline other functions such as e-commerce, CRM, and reporting, enhancing your business efficiency. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on using Xero for beginners. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage your business finances using Xero.